Unblocking Chakras is a transformative journey that combines physical, mental, and spiritual practices. Each of the 7 chakras, from the root at the base of the spine to the crown at the top of the head, governs specific aspects of our being. When these energy centers are blocked, we may experience anxiety, emotional imbalance, or even physical ailments. To restore balance, start with meditation. Visualize the colors of each chakra and imagine a warm light clearing away blockages. Incorporate yoga poses like warrior for the root chakra or camel for the heart chakra to stimulate energy flow. Breathing exercises, especially alternate nostril breathing, can harmonize your energy. Sound healing is powerful too. Chant the bija mantras like LAM for the root and YAM for the heart. Aromatherapy with essential oils, such as cedarwood for grounding or rose for love, can enhance your practice. Don't forget about crystals. Red jasper for the root or amethyst for the third eye can amplify your intentions. Nourish your body with foods that resonate with each chakra, like root vegetables for stability or leafy greens for love. Lastly, journaling can help release suppressed emotions, while gratitude practices nurture the heart chakra. Consistency is key. Dedicate time daily to this work, and you'll find your energy flowing freely, leading to greater health and spiritual growth.